Hi, friends. Today's math lesson has to do with a new unit and it's on geometry. So, geometry is the focus on shapes and figures and all kinds of things that have to do with that. So, you might have some previous knowledge about shapes. This lesson has to do with sorting shapes. So, think about what the word sort means organize. So, we're looking at this lesson. If you look at the anchor task, it asks, spend a few minutes carefully looking at the anchor task and then responding to it. Then watch this video. Let's see what the anchor task is asking us to do. Polygons have sides that are straight lines. So that's the first thing that we need to know. Then we have all these shapes. And it says here, sort these polygons in two different ways. So sort these polygons, another word for shapes, sort them in two different ways. And you can see that they have letters in them to make it easier for you. When you identify them by the letter. They're capitals, so please use capital. The way to show capitals on a keyboard is to use Shift, hold down Shift, and then the letter. So if you can please spend a few minutes to organize, to sort these polygons, show us two different ways, and then watch the rest of the video. Okay, I wonder how you sorted these shapes out. So we have way 1 and way 2. Let's see how our friends sorted them out. So we have Minho here, and he has decided that he's going to show us several different ways to sort those shapes out, those polygons. One way is by sorting them, these polygons, by looking at how many of them have 3 sides. So a 3-sided figure or a shape or a polygon is known as a triangle. I want to just pause there and let you know that this prefix, that means part of a word, tri, means 3. Okay. He also said, I'm going to sort them by showing 4 sides, and those are known as quadrilaterals. So quad, what do you think that means? 4. Okay. And he also sorted them by having 5 sides. Those are known as pentagons. Penta, meaning 5. And lastly, 6 sides. So we see here one of them has 6 sides, and a six-sided figure is known as a hexagon. So we have a hexa. Hexa, the prefix means 6. These are just good prefixes to know because they give us clues of how many sides a shape might have, a polygon might have. Let's take a look at Penny's method. She said, I'm going to sort them in a different way. I'm going to sort them by all the sides are equal and all the sides are not equal. So if you look at these polygons, they're known as regular polygons. That means all the sides are the same exact length. Over here, we can just tell by looking at these polygons that the sides are not equal. So we have our friend Penny over here saying, I sort polygons with equal sides into one group. And these are regular polygons. So here we go. Down over here, we have guided practice, and we'd like you to try these. We've labeled the groups, if you can tell us how you're sorting. And so when we say something like, when we ask a question like group A is sorted by, we'd like you to identify how are you sorting them? Are you sorting them by the size, the length of the side? Do they have equal sides? Do they have straight edges, curved edges? What do they have? Okay, so don't look so much at the colors so much, but we're looking at the shape itself and analyzing just like our friends did over here. Okay, so use these examples to then guide you for the guided practice. Look at them carefully. And then down over here, if you'd like to practice some more work on geometry, looking at shapes, sorting them, please go ahead and do that. And you can type directly in the box right over here. Have fun with shapes, and we will see you later. Bye.